Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about adjectives. Now what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. Words like old, green, beautiful, etc. are adjectives. Exercise 1. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. For example, the squeaky door swung open. The word squeaky is describing the door. Adjectives of quality. It tells us about the kind or quality of a person or thing. For example, the black cat jumped from the roof and disappeared into the dark night. So this is how you can practice adjective at home. Adjectives of quantity. It gives information about the quantity of a thing. They answer the question how much. Let us look at the exercise number 3. A. She has, either you can write enough or no money to enjoy the fair. Next, adjectives of number. They denote how many. Adjectives of number are used with countable nouns. They have been categorized further. Definite numeral adjectives. They are used to denote the exact number or position of a subject in a sentence. For example, they are called cardinal when they denote the exact number. One boy, two tables, etc. Indefinite numeral adjectives. They are followed by a countable noun and do not give any specific number. For example, all, no, many, few, etc. Exercise 4 gives you more clue about it. Demonstrative adjectives. They always point out to particular people, animals, places, or things. This, that, these, and those are demonstrative adjectives. Possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, our, and their modify nouns by showing possession, belongings, or ownership. They answer the question whose. Possessive adjectives are always used before a noun. For example, my phone is very old. Interrogative adjectives. They are used before nouns to ask questions such as what, where, when, why, who, and whose. For example, whose pen is this? Exercise 6. Fill in the blanks with appropriate kinds of adjectives indicated in the brackets. So based upon the understanding of the last topic which I cleared, you can fill in the gaps accordingly. Next is formation of adjectives. We add suffix, for example, ic, y, ish, etc. to make adjectives. For example, heroic, windy, childish, and so on. Next, what you are going to get is degrees of comparison. On this, I have already shared my video. For more understanding, you can just check on that video and have more clear understanding when you see that video. Let us have a look at few of the examples. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Bold, bolder, boldest. Able, abler, ablest. Big, bigger, biggest. Busy, busier, busiest. Active, more active, most active. Good, better, best. Now, seventh exercise. Complete each sentence using the correct form of the verb given in brackets. This you can do accordingly as it is asked. Exercise number 8. Rewrite each of the following sentences by changing the positive form of the adjective into superlative form. Always remember that for superlative form, we are always using the word the. For example, Grand Mall is a big mall. The answer will be Grand Mall is the biggest mall in the city. Exercise 9. Use the adjectives in the box to complete the following similes. Here you can use it: as busy as a bee, as black as a coal, as cunning as a fox, as tall as a giraffe, as wise as King Solomon, as cold as ice, as light as a feather, as gentle as a lamb, as white as snow, as strong as an ox. 10th, I leave up to you. You can add any adjective of your choice. 11th exercise tells us to complete the following passage by filling in each blank with the correct adjective given in the brackets. So this will be easier for you to do now. Same is the 12th exercise. You need to have lots of practice. I wish you all the very best for your preparation, students. In case you still find any sort of difficulty in understanding the adjective, you can call me on my number 98151 72102. Until then, keep learning. See you soon in next